Your new Bemis Independence Clean Shield seat with the patented Snap to Secure installation system is quick and easy to install. Let's go through it step by step. Before purchasing your seat, be sure to know if your toilet is round or elongated so you get the correct seat size. Your seat will have 2 bushings on the mounting bolt, 2 Snap to Secure nuts, 4 caps, the installation tool, and the instruction sheet. Optional support arms are available separately for your Clean Shield seat. After removing your current toilet seat, place your new seat on the bowl. From underneath the bowl, lightly finger tighten both Snap to Secure nuts. Confirm that the seat is properly aligned on the bowl. While holding the seat in place with one hand, use the installation tool to tighten the nuts until both installation heads snap off. Your new elevated seat is safely installed and will not loosen or wiggle with use. To finish the installation, you will need to close the support arm installation holes with either support arms or caps. To cover with caps, slide the cap into the hole with the snap lock on the bottom. To install the support arms, begin by determining which is the left arm and which is the right arm. The arm with the sticker on the handle that says R front is for the right side when sitting on the seat. Slide the support arm into the installation hole until the button lock makes contact. Depress the button and slide until the button clicks. Confirm the arms are properly installed by gently trying to pull them out. They should stay in place. If you need to remove your new seat, use the installation tool or any 5/8" wrench to loosen the Snap to Secure nuts by turning them clockwise.